guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Wix Studio versus Figma. Which one is better? So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering here, which one is a lot better? So which tool should you choose? So first, let's discuss Wix Studio. So Wix Studio is a website builder that offers a drag and drop interface, making it incredibly accessible, especially for beginners. It's an all-in-one platform that includes not only design tools but also hosting support. This means you can design, build, and manage your entire website in one place. Now, Wix Studio offers a wide variety of modern templates and design elements to help you get started quickly. Plus, with its AI-powered tools like Wix ADI or ADI, you can create a website in no time here without needing any coding skills. However, Wix Studio is more focused on website creation and management, not just design. It's perfect for those who want to build a website easily and handle everything in one place. Now, next, let's discuss Figma. Now, Figma, on the other hand, is a collaborative interface design tool used by many designers for UI and UX design, creating prototypes and working on detailed design. Figma allows you to design complex interface or user interfaces and collaborate in real time with other designers, making it a great tool for teams, and it's all about precision and flexibility in design process, giving you full control over every detail. However, Figma does not handle website hosting or management. It's strictly focused on design, not website building. Now, you might be wondering here, which one is better for you? So if you're looking for an all-in-one website builder for an easy setup that includes hosting, then Wix Studio is the better choice here. It's ideal for creating websites quickly and managing them without needing advanced technical skills. Now, on the other hand, if you need advanced design tools and want to collaborate with others on detailed UI or UX designs, then Figma is the best bet here. It's perfect for creating intricate designs and prototypes, but it doesn't cover website management like Wix does. So in summary, Wix Studio is best for users wanting to easy way to build and manage their website. Now, while Figma is ideal for those focused on the precise and focus on collaborative design work. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.